Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the basics. Check your phone model and IMEI, dial *#06# and verify the carrier lock. Once done, insert the original SIM, then try a different active SIM to isolate the issue. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi and have battery topped up. You don't want interruptions. If prompted for an account, use the Google or Apple credentials tied to the device. This step prevents false positives and prepares you for unlocking procedures. Next, perform a targeted reset. Go to Settings, then System, and choose Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. This clears misconfigurations. If that doesn't help, request a carrier unlock. Many carriers provide a SIM unlock code after account verification. Carefully enter the code when prompted. 3 wrong tries can permanently lock the device. If it still shows emergency calls only, document the exact error and escalate to carrier support or a certified technician for IMEI-level unlocks or network provisioning fixes. To finish, apply the unlock, then reboot the phone and verify the network bars and mobile data. If your phone has dual SIM slots, try the SIM in the other slot. Sometimes a physical slot issue causes emergency calls only. Make sure APN settings match the carrier. Adjust them if needed. If problems persist, ask the carrier for network provisioning or a temporary SIM swap. This often resolves provisioning mismatches. One key troubleshooting tip: if unlocked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.